Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Your Android must run 8.0 or newer and include NFC, and you need Google Play. Once ready, install a compatible third-party wallet that supports token import. This is necessary because Apple Wallet itself doesn't run on Android. Make sure you have the card details, any device backups, and access to the Apple ID used to provision the card, because you may need a secondary device or verification codes during the transfer. Now open the Wallet app and prepare to add a new card. You'll now extract the token from Apple Wallet using a second iPhone or a token transfer utility that the Wallet app supports. Once the token is available, choose the import method in the Android wallet. NFC emulation, QR code, or manual token entry. Follow on-screen steps precisely. Make sure to complete issuer verification. Banks often require SMS codes, email confirmation, or approval inside the bank app. Be patient. This step may take several minutes and include two-factor prompts. Don't interrupt the process until you see a success message. You finish by provisioning the imported card in your Android wallet and performing a small contactless payment to confirm it works. Once done, make sure transaction history and issuer status look normal. This verifies token activation. If the import fails, retry after updating the wallet and system, re-export the token, or ask the bank to reissue a compatible token. Banks often block unsupported devices. For safety, enable PIN or biometrics and encrypted backups. This protects your payment tokens and speeds recovery if you need to repeat the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.